Hello, it's Susan here. Today I'm making challah bread. Okay, I'm starting out with 4 cups of bread flour, and to that I am adding a 1/4 cup of sugar, half a tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of instant yeast, and I use a premium yeast, so it's the same as instant, but it has added ingredients in it. I'm not really sure what the ingredients are, but so I'm just mixing these up. I'm just making 1 loaf today. So I'm going to put this aside, and I'm going to add my wet ingredients in this bowl. I have 1 cup of warm water, ¼ cup of extra virgin olive oil, 2 eggs and 1 egg yolk. So I'm going to mix these ingredients. And now I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my wet ingredients. I'm just going to do it gradually with this little measuring cup. I'm just getting my spatula so I can scrape the edges a bit. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cover it. Now you cover it and you let it sit at room temperature for about 2 hours. And after this sits for 2 hours, I will be putting it in the fridge for 1 to 2 days, or until it doubles in size. Okay, so I've just taken my dough out of the fridge. I left it in there for 1 day. And now I'm going to add it to the floured board. I'll get some flour on my hands first. going to divide it in 3 parts. About 3 equal parts. And now I'm just going to roll it out. There's probably too much flour on this board. Now I'm just going to braid them like you would braid long hair. Attach the ends like this. And just tuck in the ends. And just moving it to parchment paper. And just cover it and let it rise for about an hour to an hour and a half. Okay, it's now risen enough, and I'm going to brush it with a egg wash. It's an egg and a little bit of water mixed. Okay, my oven is preheated to 350 and I'm ready to move it to the oven. And bake for 20 minutes. Okay, I had to add another 5 minutes on the time. So it actually took 25 minutes to cook. And it's ready. If you tap it with your finger and it sounds hollow, it's done. But I also tested it with a skewer and it came out clean, so it's done. I'm going to place it on a cooling rack for about 30 minutes before I slice into it. Okay, it's been cooling for about a half an hour and I am ready to cut into this. Yes. Nice and soft inside. Pretty good. Can't wait to try it. Now I'm just going to braid them like you would braid long hair. Attach the ends like this. Are you kidding me? What the? I can't braid. Oh my God.